Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Decode with Shaker. Today let's try to understand this really powerful function in Google Sheets called query. It's a quick way to analyze your data in Sheets similar to SQL. So let's take this hypothetical data set whereby we have the names, country, age, education, qualification and salary for some of the people. Now let us say that we want to find out all the people in this group more than 34 years of age and who have their education as science. So what we'll do is we'll write the function called query. We'll select the data set which we want to query on, and then we'll write the query. This is very similar to SQL whereby you can write select the column name. Let us say we want to select the name, country and age, where the age, which is column C, is greater than 34, and we are saying where column D, which is education, is equal to science. So that gives us the people who are more than 34 years of age and have the education as science. So now let us say that we want to order them by age. So all we have to do is write the order by parameter and the column C, which is age. So now let us say that we want to find the average, minimum and maximum salary for each of the country. So how we can do that is we'll again write the query function. We'll select the range. Now we'll write the query where we will say select. We want to find the average of salary. We want to find the max of salary and the min of the salary, right? And we want to group by the country. So now this basically gives us the average, max and min for each of the country. Now if we want to, I'll also add select column B because we want to know the country as well. So it gives us the average, max and min of each of the countries. Another important function here is you can also use a pivot function. So I've already named my data range as NR and I can select that data, and now the query which I'll write is select. Now I can also find the average of, let us say, the age, and I can pivot it by, let us say, column D, which is the highest qualification. Yeah, I'll just format it as number. So now I can see that arts, commerce and science, we have got the average ages. So guys, that's it for today. I'll post the link in the description box below for further details about this function. And if you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Decode with Shaker.